Good morning everyone. Hope you will be alright at your home. Yesterday I had started chapter number 14, data handling, in which you have learned how to find mean and range and frequency distribution table. Now in this lecture you will learn what is median and how many ways are there of finding median. So first of all I want to tell you about what is median. The median of a data is the middlemost value. Okay, I am underlining it. It's a middlemost value of the data, or we can say that median is that value which divides group of observation of data into two equal subgroups. Okay guys, for example, you have to find median. First of all, you should count the observations. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 numbers. Okay, we have count them. So, how we can divide into two subgroups? You should divide it into two equal groups. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 group here. First group, and this will be your second group. Okay, I have divided it into two equal group. So guys, last number of first group and first number of second group. These two numbers, you will find the sum of these two numbers and divide it by 2. Let us add them. 21 and 28, we will divide it by 2. So 21 plus 28 is 49. You should divide it like this. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Put decimal. 2 5s are 10. So you got your median 24.5 as your answer. Yes guys, there are important facts regarding median. As you have learned what is median. Median of a data is the middlemost value of the data, or either we can say that median is that value which divides group of observations of data into two equal subgroups. And important fact regarding median is number 1. If there are two middle values, then the median is the average of two middle values. Number 2. Median may or may not be the value of observation. So, to find median, follow these steps. First of all, you should obtain the given data. Step number 1. And step number 2 is arrange data either in your ascending order or either in your descending order. Step number 3, you should find the number of observations of data, say n. Okay, so this is step number 4, most important step. You should learn it if n is odd. If number, n means number given. Okay, when we find mean, median, mode, some numbers are given at the top, na, that is n. N stand for numbers. If n is odd, then what will be the formula of finding median? Means value of n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Okay, and step number 2, if n is an even number, Then what is the formula of finding median? It means you should write value of n over tooth observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1 power 2 observation divided by 2. So guys, you have learned what is median and what are few important facts regarding your median. And there are two ways, if n is odd number and if n is even number. So you have learned in the previous part. Now I am going to giving you two examples of finding median, if it is an odd number or if n is an even number. So first example is find median of the given data. You have few numbers like you have 17, 20, 12, 42, 8, 123, 53, 19 and 90. First of all, as I have told you earlier, you should obtain the given data, step number 1. And in step number 2, which I have told you, you should arrange observation of data in any order. Maybe in ascending order or in descending order. It has to you. So I am arrange data in ascending order. Okay. It depends on you which method you opt, ascending or descending. The answer will be same. So which is the smaller number? 8, then 12, then 17, 19, 20, 42, 53. After 53 there is 90 and 123. So count the number of observation. As I had told you in step number 3, you should count the observations. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you should write number of observations are 9. 9 is an odd number which is not divisible by 2. Okay, so you should opt method of finding median if it is an odd number. You should write value of n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. Okay, value of 9 plus n plus 1. N stands for 9 observation. So you will add 9 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. So value of 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 2 observation. Reduce into simplest form. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. It means your value of fifth observation will be your answer. Now fifth observation is 1, first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation, and this is your fifth observation. That is 20 is your answer. Yes guys, this is example number 2. You have to find the median of the given observation. Okay, suppose you have numbers 7, 23, 11, 32, 8, 103, 3, 109, 50 and 65. Remember which I have given you all steps according to median, important facts which I have told you earlier. First step was you should obtain the given data. Second step was you should arrange data in ascending or descending order. Okay, this was rule number second. So, and I'm arranging it according to ascending order. Which is the smallest one? You have to arrange smallest to biggest. 3, then 7, 8, 11, 23, 32, 50, 65, 103 and 109. So, since the number of observation in the given data is, you should count the number of observation. Number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is an even number. So, when it is an even number, you should split the given data into subgroups. Okay, there are 10 numbers. So, first of all, you should make group like this. I'm writing it once again because I have less space and it will be easy to understand how to divide into two equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your first group and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is your second group. As I had discussed with you, you should take the last observation of first group, that is 23, and the first observation of group number second, that is 32. Okay, and you should add them and divide it by 2. So median will be 23 plus 32 divided by 2. So count them. 23 plus 32 is 3 plus 2, 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is 55 divided by 2. You should divide them. 2 and 55. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Put decimal. Draw down 0. 2 5s are 10. So this will be 27.5. This is your answer. So I think you have learned about median, important facts and two ways if it is even number or if it is an odd number. Okay, you should try and do all the questions of exercise 14.2. I appreciate you because of the love and support you guys give me. You will see me in the next video. Stay at home, stay safe, take care please and bye-bye.